Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Roblox account. To delete your Roblox account, first of all, open up the Roblox app on your device, and once you end up in the home screen after logging in, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right hand corner. Inside the More menu, go ahead and tap on Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Privacy and Content Maturity. Now, after you open the option, go ahead and look for Account Deactivation and Deletion at the bottom and tap on it. Now, in order to delete your account, you'll need to tap the Initiate button at the bottom. Deleting your account is permanent and cannot be reversed. So after deleting your account, you will not be able to access any items from your Roblox account. If you're not sure if you want to delete your account, you can deactivate it by choosing the deactivate option. But if you want to delete your account altogether, simply tap on Initiate. After waiting for a second, you will then see this tutorial on how you can delete your account or deactivate your account. For account deletion, scroll down and tap on the support form link over here. And then enter your username, your first name, email address associated with Roblox. Make sure to type down your email twice and then select your device type. Choose one of the help category options and select I want to delete my account. And then write down a short description in the text box and click on continue. And after you go ahead and submit the form, your account deletion process will be initiated. You can check your email inbox for a message from customer service, and after you receive it, you will be able to delete your Roblox account. So that's how you easily do it. I hope you found the video helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials from Roblox. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.